Hello, welcome to all of you in a new informative video. Today we will talk about such a wonderful course for 10th pass students in Trichy. After doing this course, the chances of getting job are 100% and you can also start your own business, your own startup. I am talking about National Skill Training Institute Trichy, which is approved by central government, in which industrial oriented training is given to the students. National Skill National Skill Training Institute Trichy offers two courses in fashion design and technology and technician electronic system design and repairing. Duration of course is 1 year and 2 year. Minimum education qualification is 10th pass. So 10th pass students can take admission for the above courses. And after completion of training, campus placement is also done, in which different companies come for placement and provide jobs opportunity to students. Admission had started for new session 2023 to 2024. The children who have passed 10th, they can get admission before the last date, and the last date will be 31st August 2023, and admission will be done on the limited seats. Okay, admission will not be given if the seats are full, so hurry up and take admission before last date. You can visit the institute and get yourself registered for the admission. And for any type of information regarding the admission, last date, regarding the course, you can call on the given number below. Okay, these numbers are given in advertisement, so you can directly call on these numbers, above number, for any inquiry about the admission. Okay, and if you are new to the channel, then subscribe the channel, like the video and share it with your friends as much as possible. We will meet again in new informative video. Till then, bye bye. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.